Welcome to the week ahead. Headlines. August inflation numbers to be released. Sri Lankan dollar bonds continue downtrend. United Petroleum to commence operations. Indigo Airways to expand its flights to Sri Lanka. On Friday, Colombo-centric inflation for August will be released. In July, Colombo prices rose to 2.4% year-on-year. This increase was driven by a 1.5% rise in food inflation and 2.8% increase in non-food inflation. Last week's reduction in water tariffs, along with the 22% electricity cuts in July and recent fuel prices revisions, are likely to push prices lower. Current inflation remains well below central bank's inflation target of 5%. With the IMF still assessing Sri Lanka's debt deal with its private creditors, Sri Lankan dollar bonds continue their downward trend. Investors are expected to remain cautious over the coming weeks as the finalization of the agreed-upon debt deal may extend into the presidential elections period. Sri Lankan dollar bonds remain the worst performing emerging market debt instrument this month. Analysts express concerns over the clarity and fairness of the debt deal to all creditors. On Wednesday, United Petroleum will commence operations in Sri Lanka. The company has mentioned that fuel ships have already arrived and started unloading, with distribution set to start with 20 filling stations initially. This development comes under the government's plan to make the fuel distribution market more competitive. Similar to Sinopec and RM Parks, United Petroleum will be permitted to operate 150 filling stations with the right to build an additional 50. On Sunday, Indigo Airways will commence direct flights from Chennai, India to Jaffna, Sri Lanka under its newest addition to its international route network. This will mark Indigo Airways' 34th international destination and 122nd overall. The new route is expected to increase regional accessibility, especially for Indian tourists. Currently, India remains Sri Lanka's largest source market, with over 225,000 tourists arriving in the first 7 months. This is a 62% increase from a year earlier. And that's the wrap for this week. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay updated on the latest developments in Sri Lanka. Until next time, have a great day.